Good afternoon, I'm Lee Anderson. Dozens of now former St. Charles healthcare workers and supporters lined Neff Road outside the Bend Hospital this morning. The rally came as hospital officials tell us more than 900 job openings are available. Jack Hirsch gets our team coverage started. He spoke to protesters and hospital officials today and joins us now live outside St. Charles Bend. Jack, is this going to have a significant impact on operations there?
Lee, St. Charles Chief Physician Executive Dr. Jeff Absalon tells me that the departure of 180 caregivers, either due to the mandate or other personal reasons, will not cripple the system. But he also says he's never been in a situation like this one before. Meanwhile, the protesters who were here this morning, they say they feel betrayed by management.
As protesters line the street outside of St. Charles Bend, a row of shoes laying across the sidewalk stood out.
Those are their shoes, their work shoes that they wore while working for the hospital. They're turning them in. It's a symbol of I'm done.
Monday was the deadline for state healthcare workers to be vaccinated against COVID-19.
We've all been put on unpaid leave of absence.
Lorna Mulkey, who's been a nurse with St. Charles for 16 years, says she was approved for a religious exemption, but it came with accommodations.
First one was to get the vaccine, which obviously goes against our sincerely held beliefs. The second one was to find a remote position within the organization, but what we do for a living doesn't really work in a remote way.
Mulkey and 100 others chose unpaid leave instead. 180 caregivers left the organization entirely since October 1st.
These are spread throughout the organization, and as I said just a minute ago, we're continuing to assess where we may have impact and opportunities moving forward.
St. Charles Chief Physician Executive Dr. Jeff Absalon says he's never seen anything like this before.
These are the circumstances of our environment, and we're of course working hard to secure everything that's necessary to provide the highest level of care everywhere that we do that.
The hospital now has more than 900 job openings, but about 200 are in the process of being hired. St. Charles has dealt with short staffing throughout much of the pandemic. A handful of supporters gathered at another entrance with gift baskets to thank all of the healthcare workers. But the timing, even for those against the mandate, is difficult.
I say this is going to hurt the community. It is a terrible time. None of us left our jobs voluntarily.
In total, Absalon says 93.5% of all St. Charles caregivers have been vaccinated, and another 51 have started the series. Now, Absalon cannot confirm whether those 180 caregivers left because of the vaccine mandate or other reasons, but 134 of them left in the past week, Lee.
Has this affected other healthcare providers here in Central Oregon?
Lee, I've reached out to a couple of different healthcare providers in Central Oregon, and I heard back from the clinic administrator for Family Choice Urgent Care, and he tells me the clinics in Bend and Redmond has about 90% of its staff vaccinated. The remaining 10% were given an accommodation, and I should clarify that St. Charles considers the unpaid leave an accommodation.
All right, Jack Hirsch reporting from St. Charles. Meanwhile, this afternoon there are 3,276 new and presumptive COVID-19 cases in Oregon since Friday, and 24 new deaths, including a 90-year-old Deschutes County man, an 88-year-old Crook County man, and an 84-year-old Jefferson County woman. Deschutes County has 311 new cases. Crook County has 29 more. Jefferson County has another 49 cases.